How to manage contractors' payment. To manage contractors' payment, go to Project Dashboard. Click on Payments. Click on Contractors' Payment. For adding new payment entry, click on Add New. Select Invoice Date. Select Contractor. Write invoice number. Enter invoice amount. For adding payment details toward the bill, click on Add Payments. Select Payment Date. Select Payment Mode. Select Payment Mode Date. Enter reference number. Enter paid amount. Enter TDS amount. Click Save. If there is multiple payment toward one invoice, then repeat the process. Add remark about payment. Upload the invoice photograph. Click on Save. For detailed report, go to Project Dashboard. Click on Reports. Click on Contractors Payment Report. Here you can find all the payments done towards contractors. You can find the due amount of specific contractor at real time by applying the filter. You can download the payment report in PDF and Excel by click on Download button. You can add new contractor in contractor list by click on plus button. You can also add contractor from master record.